video, I just wanted to let you guys know I am exhausted. So if I am a little bit weird and out of it, mainly because I literally woke up from a freaking nap and I decided I needed to do this video today because I literally was on vacation for at least 2 months and literally have this package here. I've been exhausted, working my ass off, doing a lot of stuff. So I decided to, you know, I'll do the video when I wake up. And literally this hat is so hot right now. But yeah, sorry. And yeah, we're just gonna, you know, continue with this video. Hey guys, it's your girl Rojules here today, and if you haven't known, my name is Rojules and welcome to my channel if you're brand new. So what we're gonna do today is basically do a review on this box that I received a while ago, but I was away that I didn't make a video. So it's basically this box right here. This is all full of skincare products from Japan, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is from Japan. I'm gonna put all the description below, their links, and this is a monthly subscription that you can do every month with different products from your skin. I'm gonna be telling you how I feel about it, how does my skin react to it, and like I said, I'm not a dermatologist, so I do not know anything about skin. I'm not certified. This is just me based on my own skin texture because I know my skin texture. But yeah, let's start this video. So we're gonna start with the unboxing because I need to see. Basically, this is a no makeup, no life product. It literally looks like this. Is so freaking cute. I don't like pink, but this is really freaking cute. So we're just gonna open it. There are some items that that I cannot read because I don't read Japanese. So the good thing about this, if you do not know what it says, it does come with a little book that will literally tell you what, you know, it has. So this was the August, well, we still are, well, kind of, when this video is gonna be September, but this is the August one. And literally I'm gonna see what we have here. So literally it just says like a little description, you can scan. Okay, so we have August items lineup, and I'm gonna double check because there's different types of things that you can get in your box. It's basically like Gypsy, but just makeup, skincare stuff, and you know, they choose for you. So what I got was, I think this is it right here, the Snail Essential Cream. And this is, yeah, this is a Snail Essential Cream. It literally says, snail muscle is a popular ingredient for skincare nowadays. It effectively improves your skin elasticity. In addition, this cream comes with a convenient soft pouch and includes 10 different kinds of seeds to moisturize your skin. So I haven't tried this out. I wanted to try it for a whole week and then, you know, come back but show you. But basically this is what it comes. I have tried this product, which is a number 2. Literally have tried it. It's so freaking cute. It's basically a House Lovely cookie blush. It's freaking adorable. You know how much I love blush because I do love the bronzer effect, but this is so cute. This is like a light bronze on light blush. It's not like that intense blush. The next thing that comes with it is these lip masks, and I did use one already and I got this one. This one is the Choosy Moisturized Lip Pack. I have the mint chocolate one. This is really cute. This does moisturize your lips. I can say this moisturizes your lips a lot. And it says scrub your lips with apply the lip pack, smooth and hydrate your lips. You need to keep your lips hydrated because if you have crusty lips, I don't know what you're doing with your life. So my advice, get yourself some of this. Oh, this shit is hot as hell. I think I'm gonna take this off. So we're gonna keep this back on. The next thing I got were like a lip pencil, a little pencil thing right here, which I did use for a, if you haven't seen my video for back to school video, so you can, you know, check it up there and everything. I did use this little lippy pencil, which is the Tony Moll Pennant Bunny Gloss Bar. It's really cute. It's a lip gloss looking like a little bunny. It's so adorable. Now we're gonna go here. So I did receive this little honey skin wash bottle. I have been using it and it's officially part of my routine now because it literally washes my face so clearly, and I'm always hesitant to try new face washes because my face can get a little bit sensitive, but this literally is amazing. It smells good too. Like, one little pump in my little, you know, brush spinner to wash my face, and it's amazing. Have been using this for 2 weeks now. Yeah, this is right here, and it's honey. It's enhanced with natural honey, gentle cleanse while hydrating your face. It does not leave my face dry or nothing, so this is amazing. Like I said, this box, I do love this box because it can show me what I really need to put in my skin routine to enhance my skin a little bit more better than it is. I do recommend to get this because, you know, you gotta experiment with your skin. Sometimes the stuff that you use multiple times can in the long run stop working for your skin, so looking for alternatives is good to do. The next thing that it comes with is this little box, which is number 5, the Momo Aqua Foaming Tooth Cleansing Powder Kit. Powder set, basically. I haven't used this because it's in Japanese. Like, it does have a picture, like, I can't lie, it has the picture right here to show you, but everything else is in Japanese, so I don't know how much water, I don't know how much should I put, how do I put this, I just don't know. Hopefully it does, you know, there's a little bit more instructions in the book, but I will be seeing if I can do this or going to fucking YouTube to search it up, because to be honest, I don't know what all of this is saying. But this is really cute though. It's like a little cup and the powder's in there. You can do a face wash. It's a foamy, creamy face wash from what I can tell from the pictures. So we can test this out soon. I think I'll do a separate video just testing out all of these products by themselves. This is just a video describing everything that I have in this box. The next thing I got was this right here. This is the Aurora Eye and Lip Topper. Basically, if you don't know what lip topper is, you can put it anywhere to make it like glittery and poppy. So this is right here. What else do we have? Oh, we have a mask. This is a mint chocolate face mask, just like the lip one. This is mint chocolate for your whole entire face. Is a mask. I haven't used it because I do love Japanese Korean masks because those masks make your freaking skin very flawless. So this is called it's basically the Choco Matte face mask. Nothing special about it. Oh, it does say, okay, never mind, it does say like the steps, how to do it and everything in English. So we're probably gonna do a video on it because, you know, they're giving us the instructions. They do have different things. Oh, they even have like horoscope for you to see your horoscope. They do have like different like glam. They also have like makeup stuff or makeup wipes and stuff for like glam stuff. What else do they have? Like I said, this is the August one. Each month is a different products. Just like Gypsy has different types of tester products, but these are like full freaking size skin products. Like literally, this is a full bottle. like a whole full bottle. So I would recommend it if you want to, you know, test Japanese skincare mask. They do have like mini contests and stuff, which is so freaking cute. Now I will be putting everything in the description below, so you can go ahead and, you know, get your own. It's not that expensive, like literally it's not that expensive. And to maintain your skin flawless and amazing, I will pay anything to keep the skin very amazing. What else can we do? I probably am going to do a video separately showing you how I use this, so it could be a little bit more in depth. But yeah, this is the box that I got so far. I'm really in love with this right here. Like literally am in love. I added this to my routine. I still use the Tatcha, but I love this just because honey helps your skin and everything, hydrating, and it's, you know, for gentle face, for my face at least. But yeah, I think that will be it. Everything will be in the description below. You can go check it out, and yeah, just check it out, because, you know, it don't hurt you to check it out. Just click. It's free. It's free to click a website, you know. So like I said, guys, everything will be in the description below, to the website and social media for Instagram, Facebook, and everything will be in the description below, so you guys can go check it out yourself and get your own freaking box of little goodie skincare products, because you gotta maintain your skin healthy. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to now hit that subscribe button, that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces. I need to get these nails done, seriously.